He wasn't just the richest man of his time, he almost never lost money. Here's a system Rockefeller used to lock in profit before anyone else knew the game was starting. If you apply this, you stop blending cash on bad decisions and start stacking wins. I break it down into 3 rules you can start using today. So, here's what's wild about Rockefeller. Anyone else was chasing the highest prices and fastest deals, he was playing a completely different game. He didn't care about price, he cared about control. And that single shift made him almost untouchable. See, most people think wealth comes from buy low, sell high, but Rockefeller understands something deeper. He engineered profit through information, partnership, and timing. It's like having an answer to a test where anyone else is guessing. Rule 1. Control the supply chain. Don't just play in it. Rockefeller didn't just buy oil. He owned the refineries, the pipelines, and the distribution. That means every dollar that touched oil touched him. Today, that means own the process, not just the product. Don't be a freelancer, build an agency. Don't just trade stocks, create a fund. Rule 2. Information is your biggest edge. Rockefeller had the telegraph operators feeding him real-time market data before anyone else knew what happened. He knew railroad rates, production numbers, and demand trades in advance. Today, that means building your own info network. Track your industry key data. Build relationships that give you signals before it hits the market. When you know what others don't, you win before the game even started. Partner to eliminate competitions. Rockefeller didn't fight competitors, he absorbed them. He offered deals so good, fighting him made no sense. Today, that's joint ventures, revenue shares, and strategic alliance that makes competition irrelevant. When your success makes others rich too, you can't be stopped. Here's the part that blew my mind. Rockefeller's biggest win came from combining all 3 rules. He used information to spot opportunity, control of the supply chain to move faster than anyone else, and partnerships to lock in profits. While everyone else was gambling on price swings, he was building systems that made him rich, no matter what the market did. So, here's the real question. When you control the game instead of just playing it, how often do you really lose? Which of these 3 rules will you start applying first? Drop it in the comments, I read all of them. And if this helped you to see the game differently, hit follow and share this with someone who needs to stop playing smart and start building like Rockefeller.